And new today, the U.S. military is working on a way to possibly detect life beyond Earth. The Pentagon developing what's called portable UFO detection kits as officials investigate reports of unknown objects. CNN's Kristen Fisher is here with the details on this. All right, so the Pentagon says the U.S. has never found any evidence of alien technology. What are they hoping to accomplish with these kits?
Well, they still don't know what a lot of these UAPs that have not been identified, they still don't know what they are. And so the Pentagon has announced that they are developing these portable UFO or UAP detection kits. They're calling them Gremlin. And what they're doing is they're hoping that this will allow them to respond faster to UAP sightings, and then once they get there, they hope that it will allow them to collect a bit better data. And I'll let Timothy Phillips, who's the acting director of the Pentagon's office that investigates UAPs called AARO, explain a bit more about it. He says what we're doing is developing a deployable, configurable sensor suite that we can put in a Pelican case, those big black kind of briefcases, right? And since the UAP target, the signature is not clearly defined, we really have to do hyperspectral surveillance to really try to capture these incidents. Hyperspectral means across the entire electromagnetic spectrum. So everything from ultraviolet waves and X-ray to radio waves. And then that signature that he's talking about things outside the normal signature of flying objects. So most jets emit a heat signature because they have a hot engine. A lot of these unidentified UAPs don't do that. And so the U.S. military is testing them at a big range in Texas right now, testing these Gremlin kits. And then they hope to actually use them over some national security sites, military bases, Navy ships, places where a lot of these UAP sightings have been concentrated.
I love the name of the kit. I will totally say that. What did the new Pentagon report on UAPs released today find?
So this report essentially found, according to the Pentagon, no evidence of alien technology throughout the course of the U.S. government's investigation into such matters. However, Brianna, I will also point out that while it does say that most of the UAPs, it attributes them to ordinary objects, phenomena, and the result of misidentifications, most sightings. But the report, which dropped today, still does not explain the UAP sightings by military pilots that testified on Capitol Hill. So some big questions still out there.
Yeah, they're so serious about what they've seen, and it's just inexplicable. It's one of those very strange things. Kristen, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Displaced Gazans say they are struggling to feed their children as Israel